everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the triple time step. So if you have not yet watched my videos on how to do a single time step and a double time step, I would recommend going back and watching those videos first, because the triple time step builds on the double time step, which builds on the single time step. Okay, so those are good videos to watch first. You can find the links to those videos in my description below. So let's get started. So a single time step, if you remember, is stomp, hop, step, flap, step. So it should look like this, right? So we have a stomp, hop, step, flap, step. Okay, let's try that one more time. Stomp, hop, step, flap, step. Then when you move on to a double, you turn that step into a flap. So instead of being stomp, hop, step, flap, step, it's now going to be stomp, hop, flap, flap, step. So it should look like this. Here we go. Stomp, hop, flap, flap, step. Again, stomp, hop, flap, flap, step. Good, nicely done. So as I stated in a previous video, when anything is a single, it tends to be a step. When you change it to a double, you change that step to a flap. And when you turn something into a triple, you change the flap into a shuffle. So that is exactly what we're going to do with the triple time step. We're going to change that flap that started as a step, and we're going to turn it into a shuffle. So instead of going stomp, hop, flap, you're now going to change that flap into a shuffle, okay? And it's not a slow, drawn-out shuffle, so it's not stomp, hop, shuffle, step. It's nice and quick. It's stomp, hop, shuffle, step. Yeah? One and a two, okay? So your shuffle should sound more like this. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step. And then you're going to end it with that flap step. Okay, so again, stomp, hop, shuffle, step. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then to round it out, that flap step on your left. Okay, let's try some on the left side now. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step. Just that one part. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would finish it out right side now, flap step. Okay, let me show you the front view now. Let's do the full thing 4 times in a row, starting on your right foot, nice and slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done, good. Let's try a few in a row now, a little bit faster. Back view, starting on that one. Right foot again, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nice job. So as you can tell, I'm starting on 1. When I go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and a 3. Traditionally, they start on the count of 8, so let's try a few now, starting on that 8 count. So instead of going 5, 6, 7, 8, holding till we stomp on 1, you're now going to go 5, 6, 7, stomp on that 8. Okay? So here we go. Let's give it a try. 4 in a row, starting right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Nicely done, good. Let me try some of those facing you now, starting on that 8 count again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good, nice job. When I do those shuffles, I tend to do them out to the side, but you're more than welcome. I think you can do them going forward too, if that doesn't feel comfortable to go out to the side. So if you were to go forward, like if you didn't have a lot of space, I think you could probably do them forward. I don't see why not. I just tend to do them out to the side. So let's do them a little bit faster. Let's do 8 in a row. Starting right foot, going back to the count of 1. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay? So 8 in a row, faster, starting on 1 and right foot. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.